Hey guys, so I was working on this video a few minutes ago, but I was outside and it's pretty windy right now, so I decided to sit in my car and do the video real quick. Um, there's a lot of updates today. Yesterday I was able to get my first web app published on webOSroundup.com for Wobble Words by Gobiko Games. That game is freaking awesome. You need to check it out because it's got a beautiful UI. The gameplay is really a lot of fun, really addictive. The music, the sound effects, the graphics, everything is outstanding on this game. So you really do need to just check this game out. It's only like $3, so there's no reason not to try it out. Besides that, I've got a couple other things. I just finished writing an article about mobile web standards because to me it seems like we're going back to this same problem that we were having a few years ago, or 10 years ago, 15 years ago, with web standards. And different browsers were being built and different developers were building their websites for each of these different browsers, and nobody was really working together to build a single standard for websites. In the same way, we have all these different mobile devices and we're developing different applications and different websites to work in each of these different mobile browsers or mobile devices, and it's just causing a bit of a mess. Now some people say that that's fine because mobile devices are a little bit different than web browsers, but I still think that there needs to be a set standard to be developed. But there's more on that in that article, and once it gets published on webOSroundup.com, I'd appreciate any comments on there. I had a couple questions that I wanted to ask you. First, I'm going to be doing some app ideas every week. I get a lot of ideas. I'm only 4 days into this, but already there are tons of ideas that come to me while I'm working on the phone. Just patches and applications that would help make my life easier. So once a week, I think probably Fridays or Saturdays, I'm going to be posting a list on the Palm Pre Challenge for new app ideas, and so that's going to be coming up here pretty quick. The question that I had though was, there are a lot of tips that I'm finding out, little user tips that are extremely helpful for getting things done. Like just yesterday, I learned how to take a screenshot on my phone, which some of you guys may have already known that stuff, but it's all new to me. So I wanted to find a way to put those tips up somewhere, but a single blog post for one tip is kind of a waste, and also having a whole blog post of all the different tips is also kind of a waste, because there's a whole conglomeration of different tips for different topics, and it's kind of not very helpful. Also, some of these tips are too long to put in tweets, so I'm not really sure what I should do with that. If you have any ideas, send me an email or leave a comment on the video and let me know what you think, because I really want to get these out there. Let's see, what else is going on? Palm, apparently, I don't know what was going on this morning, but I tried to download the amazing Twitter client TweetMe. Okay, like I was saying before about Wobble Words having a beautiful UI and great gameplay, TweetMe is absolutely the best Twitter client that I've seen yet. I was using TweetPro for a while because, that is another excellent Twitter client, but TweetMe blows it out of the water. Like this client is amazing, and I'm extremely excited about being able to use it. It's kind of weird that I get so excited about these applications. So anyway, when I went to go purchase it, which today, I believe it's today only, or for the next couple days, it's going to be $1.50. So it's really cheap. Go get it. Go try it out. You won't regret it. Went to the App Store to purchase it, and I kept getting an error: purchase failed. It was a Palm problem. Something was wrong with their App Store. It wasn't on my phone, because I went on Twitter and a lot of other users were experiencing the same problem. Luckily that was fixed. Otherwise I might have been a little bit worried, because the whole point of this Palm Pre Challenge is that I start working with different apps, and I can't work with different apps if I don't have the ability to purchase them. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. This is the first time I've heard anything about this happening, but yeah, it's kind of weird to see that. Besides that, the next app review is coming up hopefully tonight, if not tomorrow morning. I'm with everything that's going on. I had planned on doing one app review every day and an update every day, and I was planning on writing like nuts. But writing on the Palm Pre is a little bit more difficult than I had first expected, which I wrote about in an article, one of my first articles on webOSroundup.com. So, the updates are coming a little bit slower, the interviews are coming a little bit slower, but I'm getting there. I'm starting to get it on a roll, and hopefully very soon you guys will start seeing more updates. Oh, and the last thing, this is really awesome. I'm extremely, like, this kind of blew me away. I put an app request in my last article to see if any developers would be interested in helping me build an application that we could put on into the App Store for developers, for Palm Pre users in general, to be able to get all of my articles, all of my tips, everything that I have, all of my content pushed directly to their Palm Pre's using this app. I thought it would be something similar to the Palm Spot app by webOSroundup, and I just put it up there online, and the guy contacted me last night. We're talking about it. We're going to have this app develop in the next few days, so you guys can look forward to seeing all my videos, all my articles, all my interviews and reviews and tips and everything else coming right to your phone through an app. And this is really cool for me because this will be my first app actually developed. And I'm not developing it myself because I can't do that on my phone. And I also haven't developed an app yet. But I really look forward to doing this. One thing that I wanted to ask now, though, in lieu of that, is that we might need a designer to help make it look really, really nice, because I'm all about having a clean UI. The developer that's doing it, which I'll put a link to his website, and so you can see his other apps. He said that he can do the app, he can build it and everything, but he would like, if you guys have, if any of you would like to help design it and make it look really clean and fresh, that would be awesome. You can contact me, email me, leave a comment, or you can email me notjust@anotherguy.us, or you can find me on Twitter @anotherguy. So, alright, that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow with another update, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.